Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Dell Thunderbolt WD22TB4 docking station. For those that don't know what a dock does, essentially this allows your laptop to connect to your displays and peripherals with a single Thunderbolt 4 cable, saving you time. You get a 1 meter UK plug socket depending on which country it is purchased from, and a 180 watt power adapter. The design is simple, nothing groundbreaking, just a simple rectangle shape and finish in a matte black colour. I'll go ahead and start with the ports. On the front of the dock you have a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port. Next to it you have a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 with PowerShare. On the back of the dock, starting from the left, you have two display ports. You have a HDMI 2.0 port, a USB-C multifunction display port, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, a Gigabit RJ45 Ethernet connection, the power in, and on this dock you have two Thunderbolt 4 ports. Let's get it connected up. I'm connected to the dock using the Dell Precision 5570, and if you haven't already done so, please check out the unboxing and review I have done. A link will be provided at the end of this video. What you're seeing here is my normal work setup, and it's currently running two 24-inch screens at 1080p. You can see a lot of cables, but with the Thunderbolt 4 lead, which is 80 centimeters, which is around 30 inches, I actually use a WD19S dock and I have it all tucked under my desk. The long cable allows me to have it out of sight and makes my desk look a lot cleaner. If you've got a wireless keyboard and mouse, you can have a cable-free environment. Mine is spoilt by the cable providing my RGB matte power. Cost-wise, you can buy it from the Dell website, and in the UK the dock costs £377, which in my opinion is a lot of money. It's more than the quarter of the price of the Dell Latitude 5330 I've reviewed, and if you're interested in that review, there will be a link at the end of this video. If you're American, you do get it cheaper, coming in at $289. Why do you guys get better deals? It's not fair. Dell have mentioned that this dock is also compatible with laptops from other manufacturers which support Thunderbolt docking, which is great. And I do use this dock with my Lenovo laptop and it works perfectly. If you want to check the list of Dell laptops that support this dock, I will provide a link in the description. So what's the final verdict? Should you avoid? Should you shortlist it? Or should you buy it? Despite the price, I would buy it. The dock can support up to 4 monitors at 4K resolution. As you will agree, you can be very productive with that. It's perfect for people who need to have multiple screens at those high resolutions. Kinda like the folk that will buy this type of precision laptop. As I mentioned, I currently use WD19S dock, and I have done for years. And having the extra screens allows me to have my emails open, multiple browsers, and allows me to multitask. I would struggle otherwise on the laptop screen alone. I will be reviewing the WD19DCS dock and doing a comparison at some point, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be alerted when that video comes out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know what you think of my verdict in the comments below, or if you have any suggestions. I will make the effort to reply to all the questions. Thank you for watching.